Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain the To-Do module in SuperConstruct. The To-Do module is used for project task management, allowing you to create, assign, track, and organize work items using list, Kanban, and chart views. To get started, log into SuperConstruct, go to your company, and navigate to the project where you want to manage to-do tasks. From the left side navigation bar, click on the To-Do module. On this page, you will see the New List button. Click on New List to create a new to-do list. A pop-up will appear where you need to enter the list name, which is mandatory, and a description, which is optional. After entering the details, click on Create. You can create multiple lists as needed. To edit or delete a list, click on the three dots at the end of the list row. Here, you'll see options to edit or delete the list. Click on Edit to update the list name or description. Click on Delete if you want to remove the list completely. Now, to add tasks to a list, expand the created list and click on Add a To-Do. Enter the name of the task and click on Add at the end of the row. A to-do task will be created. You can create multiple tasks under the same list in the same way. If you want to delete a task, select the checkbox available on the task row and click on Delete. Please note, deleted tasks are moved to the recycle bin. To restore a deleted task, click on the recycle bin icon available on the same page. Here, you will see all the deleted tasks. Click on the Restore button for the task you want to recover. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the list where you want to restore the task. Select the list from the drop-down and click on Restore Task. Now, to manage a task in detail, click on the Created To-Do task to expand it. Here, you'll find the Assign to option. Click on Add, and then choose a user from the list to assign the task. You can also update the task status using the status drop-down available below the assignee and select values such as Not Started, In Progress, or Completed. Next, you can set a due date for the task. If a due date is not required, select No Due Date. If needed, click on Choose a Date and select a date from the calendar. If the task spans multiple days, enable the option for a date range and select the start and end dates. You can also set the priority of the task using the priority drop-down and choose from the available options. Additionally, you can add notes in the provided text field and attach relevant documents if required. You also have an option to add work note, where you can enter additional updates related to the task. Finally, in the History tab, you can view all the changes made to the task, including updates to status, assignee, and other details. Now, let's see how the assigned user interacts with the task. When a task is assigned, the user will receive an in-app notification. Logging in as the assigned user, they can view the task assigned to them, add work notes, update the task status, and even reassign the task if required using the available drop-down options.